Be so boring to practice telling your story. Here's how to make it fun. Hey, this is Lynn Graff. I help founders create and tell great stories. First thing I want you to do is get yourself a timer. This is going to force yourself to give your story in 60, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, doesn't matter. You want to make a game of it. That way it's fun, always changing the length and time and even the sound that it makes when you're bzzz. Second thing to do is I want you to practice with distractions. There's going to be noises coming in, falling, everything going down. I don't care if the door is slamming, put the radio on. Those distractions were always going to be with you. So it's fun to practice with them. That way nothing's going to take you off your game. See how good I am? Lastly, practice downtime interval training. That means I want you to print your story on your phone, on a piece of paper, on your iPad. I want you to take that with you wherever you go, in the car, not while driving. You can take it when you're waiting on a bus or in an Uber, things like that. Or maybe you just got some downtime in between a TV show while you're watching Yellowstone in the commercial breaks. I want you to practice looking at that. It's going to help you memorize it. You're going to get better at telling it, and you're going to sound good. All these activities are going to give you more confidence. It's going to make practicing more fun, and your storytelling is going to be that much better.